All right, well, we just did a loading and flipping video here with the bags and the telehandler. I just want to take a minute here and just walk down the lineup and tell you about the sale we have going on for our third of a cord log lift firewood bags. All right, so these are our third cord log lift firewood bags. If you have not been on the channel before, each one of these holds a verified third of a cord. They do fit on a standard pallet. They do measure right about, 42 inches square by, I don't know, 48, 50 inches tall. We have unloaded several of these before, verified the quantities. As long as the firewood is stacked, not stacked, but thrown in there about what you see somewhere around level with the top of the bag, that is your third of a cord amount. We do have these over on the website, which is shaverequipment.com. You'll see a pop-up that comes out right as soon as you click on the website. We have 4 ordered quantities. There's a sample, which has 12 bags. There's another order that has 48. The next one has 120. And the big one is actually our full pallet. And the pallet order does ship for free to a commercial address. And using the promo codes that we have online, we have never offered these bags at a cheaper price since we've been selling them, and we've been selling these for about 4 years now, and the bag price on the pallet is actually under $14 a bag. So please go check those out. If you have any questions, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com, and we'll get the order sent right out. It's all online ordering. The prices that are online have all of the shipping, the credit card fee, everything's figured in. We just kind of charge a flat rate shipping to get stuff sent around. And you too can work hard to be lazy by utilizing these log lift firewood bags. And as you just saw in the last video, we loaded the firewood without ever having to touch a piece of wood. So go check out the website. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.